5 political parties for Rivers State say they don't see one plan by Independent National Electoral Commission and the Rivers State government to join hand on top governorship and state assembly elections wey go shele on Saturday, 18th March 2023. The parties where they talk this one now, the All Progressive Congress, the National Rescue Movement, the Action Alliance, Accord Party, and African Democratic Congress. However, the talk person for PDP Campaign Council for Rivers State, Ogbonna Wike talk say the allegation na lie. Him say Governor Wike they always preach peace and him dey innocent for wetin dem dey accuse am for. For one talk with Tory people where the governorship candidates and their deputies do, them talk say the Rivers State governor get plan to use the 23 local government council secretariat as collation center for the elections. The Constitution talk say Governor Wike don't direct the council chairmen to take charge of their different local governments and make them enforce wetin them call Operation No Mercy.
We are reliably informed of the recent plot by the governor of the state to use the instrumentality of the LGA secretariats by the INEC as collation centers to rig and manipulate the results of the coming election. We are also informed that Governor Wike has instructed all LGA executive chairmen to carry out what he calls Operation No Mercy on every other party agent, being the chief security officer of the LGA, to ensure those agents representing their party's interests do not get access to the collation centers. They have also assured the INEC officials of their safety and that they should comply with the PDP agents to manipulate the process before taking it to the state collation centers. That INEC and every relevant authority should stop all government officials from accessing the collation centers. From the executive governor, Wike, down to executive chairman, and that they should all stay away completely from collation centers, as their presence will compromise the process as it did in the February 25th election. That activities of INEC officials and ad hoc staff must be closely monitored by the general public, as there is perceived connivance between some officials of the institution and officials of the Rivers State government to rig and compromise the process in the favor of the PDP.
We have decided to come together to face this common enemy. And the common enemy is those people who have several strategies of rigging, like the Governor Wike of Rivers State, who thinks that he can do and undo. We have come together to make sure we resist them this time vehemently. We are going to make sure we'll come out with the little blood in our strength and make sure that we fight together.
Taking the peaceful path does not mean that we don't know what to do. We have a right to protect the mandates of the people, and everyone should take note. Nobody has a monopoly of violence. We all want a peaceful, free and fair election. So it's important for the media, the police and everyone to take note that if this election is rigged, we will do everything within our power to resist it.
From Rivers State, Ekata Ojiseli, TMC TV News.